You don't want to miss this home. High ceilings and an open floor plan will greet you from the moment you enter this beautiful home. Upgraded flooring adds to the beauty of the home. Beautiful new quartz countertops installed in both bathrooms, 42-inch cabinets add to the kitchen ambience. The home has upgraded ceiling fans in each room. All window coverings are included. Also, outside security lighting has been installed. Large walk-in closets in the primary bedroom are a buyer's dream come true. A relaxing covered patio retreat will greet you as you walk in the backyard. We are right by Highway 90, which makes it easy to get around quickly. This home will not last long.